Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to King's Casa. This video is short. It's just to show you how we are preparing our pool for the summer fun. This time last year, the waterfall was not working at all. Although the pool was available and accessible, the waterfall was not cascading, and I personally don't like to have things if they don't work as intended. So my husband, my brother, and the technician has worked on this, and they finally got it started or working properly. I am overjoyed. At night, it gives a very serene look, and also the water is very calming as it cascades down the rocks. On this right side, it should be flowing a little heavier than that, but over time, I think it'll pick up or start working a little better, as we had a major block in the PVC pipe that prevented it. All right, I'll share more with you soon.